Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I've got an unusual drag race for you today. So I'm sat in a Ford Mustang 5.0 naturally aspirated V8 and next to me is a Bowler Bulldog. Now that's also got a 5-litre V8. Though it's not naturally aspirated, it's supercharged. In fact, it's the engine out of the Range Rover Sport SVR. So it has 550 horsepower and 700 Newton meters of torque. Drives all four wheels through an 8-speed automatic gearbox. That thing, it weighs just 1.8 tons, even though it's a Land Rover Defender, but it's had a lot of work done to it as well, because it's a serious piece of kit, and that's why it costs £135,000. Whereas this Ford, it only costs £45,000, but then it does only have 450 horsepower and 530 Newton meters of torque. It's also got a 10-speed automatic gearbox, which drives the rear wheels only. I might struggle to launch this because this thing doesn't have launch control, even though the manual version of the Mustang does. How odd. It does have a drag mode though, so that might help. This thing weighs 1.7 tons, so not really any weight advantage over the Bowler. Let's just crack on with the race. Before we do though, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. And why not follow me on Instagram, Matt Watson Cars. All right? Okay, let's get on with it then. I'm quite good now, spinning. Oh, it's struggling with traction. That Bowler is away. I think he's increasing his lead. Come on! Blooming it, Mustang! Oh, that thing got away, four-wheel drive. This struggled a bit. I thought I'd pull it back, but didn't.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Bowler Bulldog completed the standing quarter mile in 12.4 seconds, while the Ford Mustang took 12.7 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Car's just in normal auto mode. I've not got drag mode on here, just normal cruising. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. God, he kicked down so much quicker. Oh my God. Keep on going. I want to see what speed I finally catch you. Come on, Mustang. I'm going to come past him now. I'm coming past you at 40 miles an hour. 140. Moron. Okay then, now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line, full emergency stop. Simple as that. I think I might win this one. Though I am pretty much the same weight, only 100 kilos in it. Cruising, I'm watching you, Here's the line. Yeah. Not so good at stopping now, is it? Blooming good at going though. 2-1 to the Bowler. I hope you enjoyed that. I did, it's quite fun. That thing is impressive. I don't mind to go in it. Anyway, make sure you subscribe to the channel and why not check out my own personal YouTube channel, at Matt Watson Cars. Go look at it. Got my own cars there, my Mazda MX-5, my Porsche 911. Go follow me over there as well.